Those fucking things. Oh, look at this. Yeah, it's bent in half. It's like collapsed the chassis. It's folded in half. Mr. Sheep. Oh, I forgot my Velcro gloves. What a fucking sick place. Snap! Broke my glasses. Hey bro,
Hello.
Does this road come out anywhere?
Nah.
Oh, is it just dead end?
You can keep going to another bridge and then get into it.
Oh yeah, sweet. All good, I was just wondering, I've never been down this way before. What's up guys, welcome back to It's All Black and White with Brad, and today I'm on the Scrambler again. There's a tunnel, and honestly I just had to get out of the fucking house. It's been like probably a week and a half, almost coming up 2 weeks since I've ridden, and like it's the weather's shit, and I just could not stay at home. I was like, oh, I've got to get the fuck out of the house, this is fucking bullshit. So anyway, so yeah, I've come back roads, Uriti Valley, blah blah blah. We've been here before, but we've always come this way. Today I'm doing it in reverse, and I've got my new wet weathers on, Hunter's Element from hunting and fishing, and so far the ride out here, they've been fucking wicked. Like, I don't have any thermals on today, and it's not cold at all, so it's like a good windbreaker, obviously doing its job, you know. So yeah, let's get on. This place is sick. I bet you when it pisses down with rain up there would be a waterfall coming down there. Waterfall, tunnel, how cool is that? And yeah, you would have seen that last time. Little memorial, whatever you call it, plaque thingy. Oh, so yeah, let's hit it. I am. Oh yeah. Oh, what? Please start. It had a bit of trouble starting this morning. I hadn't ridden it for like, yeah, I don't know how long, but yeah, it took a little bit to get going for some reason, which was a bit scary. Oh, what am I doing? I need fucking... Look, I've even forgotten how to use it. It's been that long. What do you want? Off-road. Oh no. Is that going to work? Is it going to work? Yep, sweet. Right, we on. Oh, I've had a shit morning too. I've had a fucking... Well, yeah, pretty average morning. We'll get into that in a sec. Let's go through here. Oh yeah. I wonder if anyone's done a wheelie in here. Oh, it's gravel, I won't be able to. Oh. Nah, just wheel spins. Oh, that's slippery. Yeah, that's real slippery. Look at this place, this is sick. Oh yeah, I've had a fucking shit morning. It's like 1 o'clock Friday. Oh, that road's a no exit. Could go up there for a look, I don't know how far it goes. Oh yeah, I got the bike out and everything this morning, put all my gear on. Put my motocross boots on because I had a big loop planned in my head for today. So I was like, oh, I'll put my actual like motocross boots on. Put them on, went to like jumped on the bike, left the house. Oh, my boots don't fit under the gear lever because they're too bulky. So I went around the block. Wonder where that goes. I might shoot down here and just see where it goes. So yeah, shot around the block, adjusted the gear lever, sweet, got back on the bike, shot down and got petrol, filled up with gas, went to put my glasses on, like put my helmet on, put my glasses on, snap, broke my glasses, and honestly for you that like don't need to wear glasses, you have no idea how lucky you are. First of all, the cost, like you don't have to pay for them. And then yeah, just the other hassles of having to wear them, like you're so lucky. So yeah, be grateful you don't have to wear glasses. So yeah, broke them. This road's cool, I've never been down here. So I was like, oh yeah, sweet. went back home, jumped in the car, went to the shop. I said to the lady there, I said, I just want to see if I can just switch the lenses into the same, you know, same frame, so it'd save me some money. She's like, oh yeah, did that. And I was like, oh yeah, how much are these? And she's like, oh, just the frames were like we're going to be $325 for just the frames. I was like, fuck's sake. Then the other lady come up and she goes, oh, he's only had them a year. And she's like, oh, we'll put them on the warranty. So I thought I'd still have to pay like something, get my wallet out, all that. Nah, sweet, all done. I was like, oh, yo, fuck. So that's saved me $300 and whatever dollars. But just the hassle of like driving into town and blah, blah, all that shit, man. This road is sick. I've never been. Wonder if this comes out somewhere, because that didn't say no exit. So yeah, that happened. So I got new frames. And there, that's been my morning. All morning. It's fucking all that shit. Fucking pissed me off. So yeah, I got home from the shop and then I was fucking stewing because I'm going to fucking wreck my day, blah blah blah. So I was like, oh fuck it, I'm just going to go for a ride, see where I end up. And so far we've ended up in a pretty cool place. I don't want to go too fast around these corners. I have no idea if they're sharp or not. Oh. Hopefully this does come out somewhere. I'd be sick if it does. Oh, that's a wooden bridge. Don't turn on that. Oh, there's a car. He waved. I wonder if this does come out. Anyway. Oh, there's a road just here. Oh, that's a sick track going up there. For your dirt bike, obviously. Oh, even that road goes out to somewhere else. So we're still on Uriti Road. Oh, we'll keep going. Oh, new gravel. Oh, that's rough gravel. Sick. Oh, I hope everyone's having a good week or whatever, better day than what I've been fucking having, but at least I'm out on the bike now. And honestly, I've been thinking, and I need a new bike. If I keep doing this to this little poor scrambler, it's not going to last too long. And I have been looking at CF Moto MTX. Oh, I have been looking at the 800s, but they've just brought out the 1000s. So yeah, I wouldn't mind like getting something like that. And before you start whinging and bitching, oh, CF Moto Chinese, blah blah blah, I'd just suggest doing your research before bagging on them, because fucking hell, they're pretty sick. And the motor's just KTM motor anyway, so yeah. And I don't know, I just like this type of riding. This is like the funnest kind of riding you can do. I reckon just ride on the road to get to where you want to go like this, and then just carry on riding. And this bike is not really made for this sort of stuff. It can do it, but it's just not going to last forever doing it. So yeah, an adventure bike would be the go. And those like CF Motos have got like quick shifters, heated grips, heated seats, all standard. And you think you can do like almost like 400k to a tank of gas. and be comfy. There's horses up there. Oh, there's an old wool shed. I should have. Oh no, we're still on Urruti Road, aren't we? Oh, drifty. There's been a truck come down here, probably a fuel truck. I've even got a mate, he was texting me yesterday, and he's got a, what's he got, a GSX, is it a GSX 1000, like super duper sport bike, and even he's going, texting me going, man, he's been looking at a KTM adventure bike. Oh, that was muddy. Because I think he's thinking the same thing, as like, yeah, it's cool to go fast or whatever on the road, but fuck, you do that for 10 seconds, then you're like, oh yeah, sweet. Don't get me wrong, super duper sport bikes are fun. Like, they go hard, make cool noises and all that, but this sort of riding here, just the back ass of nowhere, that is slippery. So yeah, what else has been happening? Last weekend was the Ulysses. Oh no, well, you would have watched the Ulysses ride last weekend. The Ulysses poker run, that was sick. That was cool. Heaps of different bikes. Yeah, all sorts of different bikes. Adventure bikes, enduro bikes, sport bikes, Harleys, cruisers, everything. It was sick. I think they had like 90 something bikes altogether. It was pretty decent. And like they were saying, the year before we only had 40. They only had 40 bikes come, so that was good for them. I'm sure this had didn't have a no exit sign on the sign, so this should come out somewhere, hopefully. Hopefully if I see someone, I'll ask them. Fuck, we're in the Wops now, boys. We're in the Wops now. Oh, is it starting to rain? Yeah, man, I reckon an adventure bike would be the go. Yeah, they look ugly, like fucking granddad looking bikes. Oh, it's raining. They're big spits. Fuck yeah. And an adventure bike, quick shifters, like fucking sick. Oh, that's some good riding there. Oh, that's slippery. Oh, there's some big lumps. Those some big lumps, those drops. Who's been watching the Isle of Man lately, on the last couple of weeks, or the last week? I think they've only had one death so far, and then yesterday or the day before, a lady got paralysed. That she was racing and got crashed, and now she's paralysed from the chest down. And then yeah, another guy died last week. So it's first time there, first time racing at the Isle of Man, and first practice round, crashed, dead. Those dudes are fucking crazy, man. Those dudes, well, they're not crazy because yeah, they know what they're doing, but watching them, it's like, oh my god, that's nuts. They know how to ride. Very impressive to watch. I love watching the slow-mos when they put the camera on like super slow-mo, and you're just looking at the bike and the tires just doing everything they can to like get grip. Like, oh, it's just it's loose watching that stuff. This road is actually, this road's sick as. I wonder what that X meant back there. Is this cool, or am I going to end up like in a fucking wrong turn fucking movie here? Old hills have eyes. Oh well, I just spent last weekend. I had this bike in the lounge last weekend, polishing it, cleaning it. Not going to be very clean anymore. I hope you can see. Oh, here's the truck. I should ask this fella. I'll see if I can see him. I'll go and ask him. Hey bro, does this road come out anywhere?
Nah.
Oh, is it just dead end?
You can keep going to another bridge and then get into it.
Oh yeah, sweet. Oh good, I was just wondering, I've never been down this way before.
You carry on a bit further and then keep going until you come to another bridge.
Oh yeah,
That's the exit.
oh yeah, sweet. Cheers mate, thank you. Oh, there's another cool track up there. So he just told me this road doesn't come out, but there's another bridge. Said it goes a bit further, you get to a bridge and then that's it. So we'll do that. This would be cool to take someone like Vaughan, or if I don't know if Vaughan's done this road before or not, or anyone else that's got a off-roady type bike. Do this road and then go back and do Kiwi Road or whatever. Oh yuck, wet feet. It's mean that they're maintaining it pretty well. Wonder what river that is. Probably Uriti River, since we're in Uriti, you fucking idiot. Oh, that was slippery. That was slippery. Oh, this is sick. I'll try dodge the puddles from there. Oh, I should go up there. Try dodge the puddles so our feet don't get too wet. Oh, that was soft. I nearly came off. This bit will be soft. No, nah. Oh, this goes for ages. See, this on an adventure bike would be so sick. Man, that's slippery. Get a bit more off-roady tyres than what I've got on at the moment. I don't know what, if these tyres are like 50-50 or I'm not too sure what they are. They get like 30, 70, 70% off-road, 30% on-road tyres or something like that. And then just go back-road missions. Yeah, I don't think these bikes are really designed for this. Yo, this is so cool. Oh, I should wipe the lens, shouldn't I? Someone's been here recently. Oh, we got Mr. Sheep. Oh, I forgot my Velcro gloves. Oh, that looks all fucked up, that sheep. I don't think this road gets used too often. Oh, we got a sign, we might be at the end. Oh yeah. Heavy vehicle bridge. Oh yeah, that must be private property. Oh sweet. Oh yeah, so that's someone's farm in there. Oh well, start heading back if I don't fall off. Fuck, there'd be some good hunting around here. Right, well, I'll turn yours off, I'll head back, and then when we get back to where we started, I'll turn yours back on there. Alright, we made it back. The tunnel that we come out was just up there, and we're going to hit Kaka Road to Okoki Road. Oh, fucking nearly stalled it. Oh, it's wet. I'm glad I left my tinted visor on too, so it makes it even harder to see anything. Oh, I've got to say, this new wet weather gear is fucking mint. It's windy as, and I'm like not even cold at all. Highly recommend it. Hunter's Element. It's not like the most expensive, but it's not the cheap like warehouse shit either. So I got like mid-range sort of stuff, I guess. It seems to be working pretty mint. Oh, jump. Wrong gear. Last time I come down here they were doing oh yeah, see the road's washed away here. Oh yeah. Big washout. Yeah, like I said earlier, we've all done this road, but the Native Sons, when their ride did this road, but we were coming there the other way. It's when there's a couple of, there's an accident on that road involving old Vaughan. Oh yeah, Vaughan, I finally fixed his saddlebag. I had a comment, one of you commented, I can't remember your name, but recommended or suggested I should do a video on painting, like fixing it and painting it, but I just couldn't be bothered. I just wanted to get it done. So it's his bag's all fixed. I've still got it at home. I've got to go. Oh, that's scary. Might give him a message when I get home today and see if he wants it. Go drop it off to him tonight or something. Oh, look at the view. Look at that sick land. I imagine a dirt bike out on there would be so fucking fun. What a fucking sick place. So yeah, his bag's all done, his Harley's all back to good, normal, whatever. And I think he sold his Triumph Tiger the other day. I actually haven't talked to him. I just seen some Facebook posts of another mate, old Shano, that it looked like he's brought Vaughan's Triumph Tiger off him, I think. I'll have to confirm that. Oh, it's windy up here. Back down, go back down into the bush, so not far from here. Oh, this is where that crash was, in here. There's someone's gumboot back there. else has been going on in life. Fuck. Not much else, really. Not much else. Oh, someone's gazebo frame. Yeah, I'm thinking adventure bike's the way to go for what I like doing anyway. Like this, but I'd just be able to go a lot further, see a lot more of the country, like way more of the country. Oh, a pheasant. Yeah, I think you can do like 400k to a tank or something on those CF motos. Well, most adventure bikes. That's insane. And I guess if you're doing roads like this, shit, that's slippery. You're going to go a lot further as well because you're barely using the fucking, oh my god, that's slippery. The bike's going to need a decent water blast when I get home. Yeah, it'd be sick to actually get out of the region and, you know, go and ride different places. Do some like tracks that are off the, you know, off the beaten track or whatever they fucking say. Off the beaten path, I don't know. Because this bike here just struggles in the 100k areas. Like there's no, if you're in a 100k area, you're no chance you're passing cars. It's more of a like commuting sort of bike, in and out of traffic sort of stuff, not like, you know, highway riding. Oh, look at this. This will be slippery. Fuck yeah, I might look into getting something soon. Well, it's the old saying, oh, you only live once, so yeah, I might have to bite the bullet. Because fuck, this is cool. And it's like those, like you're never gonna take, you know, when it's raining or shit weather like this, the last thing you think of doing is like going for a ride on your fucking Harley or your sport bike or your cruiser or whatever. So you're just stuck inside getting fucking shitty because you can't go out. At least if I have the fucking adventure bike, I'll be like, sweet, let's go. And then that way I can hopefully meet like another group of riders, you know, get into the adventure side of things. And because you always see adventure bikes, there's fucking shitloads of them. Oh yeah, something I should look into. Well, you know, actually make it happen instead of talking about it. I remember my brother was talking about buying land out here at like 100 years ago. I think this land in here was for sale a long time ago. Ah, that hadn't happened. Sick. Man, that truck that's just gone through here has made it so slippery. I think, oh no, there's a little bit more gravel coming up. Bugger all though. Oh, sick. Well, there's some land for sale if anyone's keen. The old scrambler gets along all good though. Fucking hell. The only thing is, I just keep doing this with it. It's obviously not going to last very long. It'll just break, you know. Trees on the road. Oh shit, yeah, she's gonna need a bloody good wash when I get home. Or tomorrow if I can't be bothered doing it today. This looks slippery, this looks like fucking ice. Okay, whoever built these gravel roads though fucking knew what they were doing. They were fucking so smooth. Oh yeah. Fuck, that's smooth. I love these old tractors. Oh, look, old digger. Oh, that's so cool. All the old Range Rovers in there. Are they Range Rovers, those fucking things? Oh, look at this. Yeah, it's bent in half. It's like collapsed the chassis. It's folded in half. I love that old shit. Old machinery and equipment like diggers and shit. I fucking love seeing that. Fuck yeah, this road is so much smoother than the last time I come down it. Still recording? Oh, yep. Oh, fuck, corner. That could be the last of the gravel, I think. Oh, more old gear. I think they still use it. Oh, maybe not. Fucking hell. Oh, this guy, it must be the same dude. There's more Range Rovers in there. Well, Land Rovers, that's what they are, eh? Range Rovers. Oh, goat. Oh, a goat or a sheep? Goat. Oh, we've got some activity up here. hope the road's not closed, because that'll suck having to go all the way back. What are they doing? Oh, yeah. Yeah, boys. There it is. Oh yeah. Oh, I feel some more big fucking spits hitting me. Lumpy rain. Oh yeah, they're big drops, those ones. Fuck, this wet weather gear is actually fucking sick. I've never had like decent wet weather gear. Always had the shitty warehouse stuff which doesn't, you're like wetter when you hop out of it than when you fucking, you know. Oh yeah, that's some big drops. It's a bit boring riding by yourself, but it's quite nice to ride by yourself at the same time. You're not having to like look out oh fucking big hole, you're not having to watch out for anyone like other than yourself. But then again it is a bit boring sometimes. Oh, there we are. Yee. Oh, I pushed the button, it's an accident. Fuck yeah, I'm rating this wet weather gear. This whole video is just going to be about wet weather gear. Me and my new wet weather gear. Did the old latex trick again. Latex gloves under your gloves. Oh, such a good trick that. I think it was Callum was looking at me the other week going, what the fuck? Then I said, nah, fuck, I can't wear those big slick gloves. Too uncomfortable. Oh, this is so sick. Out there doing it. With Brad. Oh, I hope you can see all good. Trying to keep the lens clean for you. So I think we're on Okoki Road now, I think. Ooh, that's bumpy. Oh yeah, still recording. That's good. I only brought one battery again. Oh, what a sick place. Fucking brakes on this aren't very fucking flash. Fuck yeah, does anyone else get fucking shitty if they don't go riding for a while? Because fuck, I do. Even the missus gets fucked off at me because I'm fucking like grumpy as. Go for a fucking ride, you dick. Fuck yeah, I can't help. I get fucking shitty if I don't go for a ride. Bit of a problem. Yeah. Am I just the only, is it me that's like that, or is it other people like that too? Am I the only shitty cunt? Oh yeah. Going the right way. I can't remember any of this. Oh yeah, now I know where we are, this bridge. Everything, it's funny, like everything, oh, I was supposed to wait for that guy, fuck it. Everything's so different when you do it in reverse. Oh, not too far now, we'll be at the end of the road, I think. I'm pretty sure. Oh, gravel, shit on the road. Oh, heaps of shit on the road. Take it easy around here. Woo! Oh, look at that old gear over there. Oh, for sale. Or is it sold? Oh, it's sold too. Oh, shitty wheelie. I wanted to try wheelie across the bridge, that was so average. Even that was crap. Oh, look at that old gear. Old trucks. Cool. Oh, it's pissing down up here. Get ready, boys. It's pissing down in a sec. Oh, over there it is anyway. Oh yeah. This is going to test the wet weathers. Woo-hoo! Fuck yeah. Coming up on Taylor Shaw's house. He's a motocross dude. He's got the main tracks out here. I don't know if he still maintains them or not, but might be able to see them, might not be able to see them. Fuck, it's wet now. Yeah, the motocross track right in front of us, right there. Big jumps. There's Supercross track over there, and that's the motocross track. Oh yeah, he's obviously still looking after it. All the faces look all groomed. Sick. Wish I could do jumps like that. Oh, she's wet, boys! Oh, shit, yeah. Oh, I'm getting wet. Fuck, that is wet. And windy. Oh, hella windy. Oh, move over, car. Fucking hell. We're at the end, or the start, whatever way you want to put it, of Okoki Road. Okoki Road. You know, it's like just that way. Pull in here. Pull in here for a sec. Oh well, there we go. Oh shit, the bike's dirty. Oh, we're in that one here, guys. That was a nice little trip. Done a new road that I'd never done before, and I took a photo of another road that leads to another road, so I'll like go and research that and see where it comes out. Me and Vaughn might be able to do that road one day. We'll suss it out. But yeah, no, we'll end that one here. Good little day, little ride. New wet weather seems to be working good. New glasses are working good, which is the main thing. But yeah, I gotta get home now and this shit. Alright guys, so we'll end that here. Don't forget, find your passion, do what makes you happy, and we'll see you in the next one. Laters!